one.
Hello. Welcome.
Episode 5.
Y'all.
Isolation edition.
Yeah.
We're doing another savory, egg baked.
Brie. Trying to use up all the food we have in the house. So, when I bake pies, when we bake pies, and there's leftover dough, I put it all in a ball and put it in the freezer. So there is a ball of leftover dough.
Also, because this is quarantine edition and we're using what we have, we used half a Brie the other day. Ta-da! And now we're gonna use, well actually maybe we used about a third. Now we're using 2/3 for the baked Brie. So we're gonna roll out the dough.
And here we go.
Okay, what we forgot to say, if you don't know how to make a pie crust, in one of your old videos,
Yes.
Michele in the kitchen, she makes a rhubarb pie and
the
finds
pastry.
the recipe how to make a pastry.
Yeah, and we'll write down which number it is when we do it. Wait,
Oh.
so what is this?
Walnuts. You're gonna have chopped walnuts
And pretty finely chopped, I think, so
Yeah.
that you don't get big chunks.
and dried figs.
Yummers.
So we've got sweet and salty with this beautiful Brie.
And if you want, you could put a bit of port or some of that onion jam.
Caramelized onions
Yeah,
kind of
caramelized
thing.
onions. You could basically put what you want.
And then the cheese goes on top.
And then we fold it up. Okay, buttered floured pan, 400, I would say 20 minutes. But just watch it. Ta-da!
So, for our little happy hour,
Listening to Cynthia.
Cynthia's live with our baked Brie and a glass of vino.
Wait, don't show it in there. We're gonna make it look pretty.
Oh yeah, we'll make it look pretty now.
This is nice with a lovely piece of crusty bread.
And voila, look at that.
Mmm.
Cheers.